all Magnetek drives, all Magnetek AC drives that have the option to be run in vector control mode, whether open loop or closed loop, will require at startup a function of auto tune be performed. The auto tune function essentially matches the motor to the drive, calibrating the drive to provide optimal efficiency out of the motor. And this would include everything from supplying minimal currents to get the regular speed regulation that's needed, to providing slow speed operation that's needed during the function of microspeed, as well as quick response of the motor to the control signal inputs. The drive we're looking at here is a VG Plus Series 5 drive. The auto tune function is obtained by going in with the menu key, scrolling down to the directory that says auto tune, and opening that up, and we'll show what's available in the Series 5 drive here as an example. We have 3 types of auto tune. We have what's called the standard or rotational auto tune. Then we have the stationary auto tune, and it's identified here as stationary auto tune 1. And then there's another auto tune option called stationary line to line resistance. We will describe all 3 of these.